Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here and I would like to welcome you to our first weekly live room trading results video for 2021. I hope everybody is safe and sound, and I also hope that 2021 will be 10 times better than previous year. As always, I have chosen like 4 or 5 pairs to see what's happening. We have some positions running since the longest one is since last year November, and we will start with Euro Yen. In Euro Yen we have a very powerful uptrend. You can see price is going, it's going, and we said if you want to go short you will be able to do it. It will be against the main trend, and this would be the entry at the beginning of the week, but the problem is that this is the support area. So if you waited a little bit, that retracement below your trend line and below your support area is the opportunity, was the opportunity, sorry. That's an APO like 30, 35 pips, already 90. And that means we have our win-win scenario easily, even against the main trend on Euro Yen. 3 times our APO. We continue with oil. We know that oil has been going on for some time now. We had a big retracement. Price went below our resistance area, but then with this nice M12 retracing exactly to my combined support area and also spiking a little bit, which usually we don't like it, but in these cases it's a good thing. You could have entered with some pending orders or just waiting our classic entry, again with like 50, 60 pips, already 150. Probably if you trailed on M12 you are out, but that's not the issue. You had your win-win scenario anyway, so your money is in your piggy bank. Nobody can touch them. Another pair is GBP Aussie. We saw the reaction. Price was stayed there for some time. A big breakout, some kind of range again, and at the beginning of the week after the beginning of the week we got our smooth setup with like 30, 40 pips. Again, quickly win-win scenario if you haven't trailed your APO and you're out in 95 pips. That means you are still in with a win-win scenario plus 110 pips, your last position. So also on GBPAUD we got our win-win scenario 4 times our APO. You can see if you are into visual aid, you had continuously after the reaction higher lows. On EURCAD, finally, price was going short after a reaction on much more higher settings, and also here we have our trend line coming from, if I remember correctly, M48. Trend continuation, late entry, we can go from much more higher settings to much more lower settings, and you see a really nice smooth setup using actually our trend line as resistance, and once more like 25 pips of an APO, price went 150 pips. That's like 6 times our APO. If you haven't trailed your APO on M6 you are out, but again with a win-win scenario, and I'm sure with a happy smile on your face. So with only these 4 pairs, we have 16 times our APO, 560 pips, and also some positions running since last year, and they will remain there as long as price continues going our way. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend, and see you again on Monday morning with our top-down approach. Bye bye everybody.